Greetings gastronauts, this is KeefCooks, I'm Keef, and today I'm going to do something summery and light because we're in the middle of yet another heat wave. It's hot. So I'm going to make a salad, but you know, not a veggie, well it will have vegetables in it, but also it's going to have a great big lump of steak in it. So it's Thai beef salad. So apart from the big lump of steak, it's got a load of lovely, tasty vegetables in it, and also some spices and all that good stuff. So if you enjoy this video, give it a like, share, subscribe, etc. and let's do it. Thai beef salad. First thing to do is make a dressing. So this needs to be quite a delicate balance of sweet and sour and hot and garlicky and acid. So we need to measure these things quite carefully. So the first thing you want is a 1/4 teaspoon of minced garlic. So that's probably about half a clove. This is my 1/4 teaspoon measure, so I'll just pack that in there. Yeah, that's about right. So I'll pop that in the bowl, and then half a teaspoon of de-seeded and minced chilli. It's all already de-seeded. That's good. That's my half teaspoon measure. And then about a teaspoon of finely chopped coriander stems. Now we need to turn those into a paste, so you can do that in a mortar and pestle, or you can just do it with the back of a knife. Just kind of rub it across a few times. And we've got a few more ingredients. This is 2 1/4 teaspoons of white sugar. And we want 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. And I've actually got some this week, yay! A tablespoon of oil, fairly neutral oil, this is sunflower, and 3 tablespoons of lime juice. They're in there. Actually, I think that'll be enough. That goes in there, and a pinch of salt. And you want to mix that really well. I think I'll transfer it to a jar with a screw top lid and give it a really good shake. Now we want 2 cups of salad leaves of your choice. This is just general baby salad leaves with a tendency to red stuff. So whack those in a bowl, and you want 1 tablespoon of the wonderful dressing, and just give that a good mix, get all the leaves coated in the dressing. So I'll prep the rest of the salad veg in a separate bowl. So I've got 10 little tomatoes. They're supposed to be cherry tomatoes, but I found these little baby plum tomatoes got a lot more flavour. They're delicious. I'll just cut all those in half, stick them in the bowl. Then we want a small red onion, about half of it. Half a cucumber. Cut it down the middle and then use a teaspoon to scrape out the seeds. And then cut that in half and thinly slice them. And then about a 1/4 cup of coriander leaves. Just chop those finely. And about the same amount of mint leaves from the garden. There's our salady bits, and I'm just going to pour on most of the dressing, just save a bit. And then we want to cook the steak. Yay! Okay, now we're ready to cook the steak, so just oil it a little bit. Then a good grind of pepper and sea salt. Then I've got a griddle pan heating on the stove. You want that to be really hot before you put the steak on it. And then we'll cook the steak for 3 or 4 minutes each side. And then when it's nicely browned, remove it from the pan, put it on a warm plate and tent it in foil and let it rest for 10 minutes. Okay, the steak's had a rest, I wish I had. So now we're going to slice it thinly. And you want to cut it across the grain. Now I'll mix the steak in with the salad bits. Ooh, that looks good. Now get yourself a little plate or a bowl, pile the lettuce on, and then the rest of the salad and the beef. Cool. Now that's a proper salad. And also some lime quarters for garnish, and some chopped nuts, and a sprig of mint, optional. And also just drizzle the last little bit of dressing all over the top. And then do a taste test. Well, this looks fantastic. And it tastes wonderful. So, I'm sure it's not authentic Thai, but it really is lovely. So, give it a go. It's just what you need on a really hot day like this, is to cook a steak on a really hot, sizzling griddle pan in it. Anyway, easy to make, delicious. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.